Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can apply for a credit card on US Bank online. For that you'll need to open up web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up browser, search www.usbank.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on US Bank's website. Then scroll down and there you'll see the option of credit cards. Tap on it. Here you'll see various credit card options. Compare it and select one according to your preference. After you've selected, tap on Apply Now. If you're already a customer of US Bank, tap on Login and you will receive a pre-fill application. If not, you'll have to fill in the application below. Enter your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, email address, and your phone number. When you're done, tap on Continue. After you tap on it, US Bank will contact you about your request. This way you can apply for credit card on US Bank online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.